We are back at the most interesting place with the Rolls Royce Dawn, a McLaren, and SLS, the G-Wagon Brabus. But I saw this, two Jalpas, and this is for sale in 1970, 14,000, Espada. Look at this. Look at this. Oh man, that's cool. That is so freaking cool. Wow. If anybody wants to buy two Espadas, that is freaking cool. I have a 914 as well. Old Jag. The Espadas, that is something, huh? Freaking cool. And a Nissan Skyline GTR. Yo, this is crazy. That's also for sale too. All of these are for sale. How much? Doesn't say. 16,000. 16,000 for that. This is so freaking cool, man. 16,000. This one I think was 98,000. Well, obviously that makes sense. It's a vintage Lamborghini, which ain't bad. All of these are for sale. Man, that's so cool. It's so low to the ground. 75 grand for this one. 75. Look at that. Oh, you can't really see too much because it's at night, but wow. That is something, huh? That is something. That's crazy. Look at these wheels. Wow. Bertone. Yo, for Volvo fans, Bertone is the one that makes, they did a collaboration with Volvo as well. This one kind of looks like it's unlocked or something, but wow. Crazy. All right. Check this out. The Rolls Royce Dawn and the Brabus. Oh man. And we got an Aventador. Just chilling. Although, yeah, I think that's an Aventador, unless it's maybe a Reventon. Wow, look at that. This is crazy. Who would think, huh? Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, Aventador. Man, that's crazy cool. This one's for sale too. 48,000. Good old classic 2002. That is insane. Absolutely crazy. Just look at how that looks. The styling of these cars. Oh my God, I've never seen any of these in real life. I like these two little dots here. I don't know what that is for, but anyways, thanks for watching. Look at how sexy that is. That's crazy. So right next to the car wash, we do have a Bentley Rolls Royce dealer. But the car wash is a little crazier. Look at that. That's awesome. And the car wash is just off a little further. Look at that. So, whoever owns this car wash is crazy. They own a detail shop and all that, but wow. Oh, that looks gorgeous.